How do I use the Sanitize feature on my Q+? Here's how to get started. How do I schedule a Sanitize cycle? Tap and hold the heater Sanitize button until you hear a beep. The first light will turn white, the second light will blink red. The sanitization cycle is now scheduled. How does the Sanitize cycle work? The cycle will begin once water levels are low enough. While the cycle is scheduled, the unit will run warm mist. Both lights will blink red once heat sanitization starts. A full cycle runs up to 2 or 3 hours. How do I stop a Sanitize cycle? Tap and hold the heater Sanitize button until you hear a beep. Both lights will turn off. What do I do when the Sanitize cycle ends? Both lights will turn solid red when the cycle finishes. Caution, the water tank will reach a hot temperature of 167 degrees Fahrenheit during the cycle. Avoid opening the lid until the cycle is fully complete. Allow the water tank to cool down, about 2 inches of water will remain. How do I reset my Q+? Discard old water and wipe clean. Refill with distilled or filtered water. Lastly, tap the heater Sanitize button to reset. You're ready to begin breathing fresh air again.